let's get stuck straight into it. Moving on from my blurred motion tutorial from last time, I'm going to be using the Pixelify app this time. So if we just come over to some elements that I've used before, this female here, we'll duplicate this one because we're going to use two. We'll remove the background from both of them. Okay, so edit, image, remove background, and we'll bring this one over here and we'll place it around the center like that, and we'll place this one in the center over here. So we're going to use this one as the pixelified image. So we just come down to Pixelify, which is the app in Canva. Because that image is selected, it will choose that one. Now I bring this up to about 40 because I think it gives a good effect of blurred motion. Alright, so the other thing that we can do is once that's selected, or once that has successfully pixelified, we can come over here to edit image and we can come over to blur, go whole image, and we can drop it down to about 30 and then go back to edit image. So on that, then we can Command D to duplicate like that, and then place that directly over the top. We can then go forward twice as so, then Command D, and we keep Command D pressed down until we've achieved our desired length of the blurred motion. Alright, and I'm going to continue this for a little while all the way through because I want to do another effect here. Alright, I'm going to stop it there. And then we come over here to the other image. We want to bring this layers to front as so, and then we place that over the top like that. And there you have it. There is the blurred image using the Pixelify app. So the other thing that we can do is we can duplicate that and then bring this back here as such like that. Alright, then we come over here to transparency and we can drop the transparency down, and it kind of gives a bit of a different design impact from motion through to solid. Alright, and then what we can do is go to the background and we can start to add like background, so you know that sort of background color, give it as that. You can work your way through all the various color combinations. Alright, then what we can do is come over to text. Alright, up the top, go to text, go here, and I'm going to use the impact, and I'm going to go Y jumping, for example. I'm going to increase that one, and I'll bring this down here, increase that down to there. Okay, then I'm going to change the color to, I think, orange. Actually, maybe I'll change it to one of these colors, change it to that color. Then I'm going to duplicate that text, place it right over the top as such, come up here to effects, go to hollow, reduce that down to 10, and I'm going to change that to white. Alright, and I'm going to actually go to layers, show layers. I'm going to select that text, go up here to position. That doesn't work. Oh, actually it's because I've got so many blurred motion effects. I'm going to grab that bottom layer and jump that through, and then I'm going to select both of the text, and I'm just going to bring that up there slightly. Alright, so I've got blurred motion effect with a bit of a transparent image at the back there, and see-through text. Alright, thank you very much. I appreciate your time. Until next time, fun with Canva. Don't forget to jump on my YouTube channel, subscribe, like, notify.